Today, we will know about the cutest cat. Cats, with their graceful movements and mesmerizing eyes, have woven themselves into the fabric of our lives, leaving an indelible mark on our hearts. These delightful creatures are more than just pets. They are enigmatic companions that bring joy and warmth to our homes. First and foremost, there's the allure of a cat's purr, a gentle rhythmic hum that transcends language and resonates with a soothing effect. It's a lullaby that effortlessly calms the stormiest of days, transforming a mundane evening into a serene symphony of contentment. The playful antics of a kitten add a touch of whimsy to our daily routines. The way they effortlessly twist and turn, showcasing their acrobatic prowess, is a source of endless amusement. Yet, behind their mischievous exterior lies a creature of unparalleled elegance. Cats are masters of the art of finding the most important spots to bask in the sunlight. Their meticulously groomed fur adds a layer of sophistication, turning even the most ordinary room into a ravel heaven. What really sets cats apart, however, is their mysterious aura. They are independent beings, often striking a delicate balance between affection and aloofness. The eyes suggest a profound wisdom that transcends human understanding, inviting us to unravel the secrets of their silent language. The bond between a cat and its owner is a unique tapestry of mutual understanding. While they may not wag their tails in exuberant displays, the subtle flicker of a cat's tail speaks volume to those who pay attention. In the grand tapestry of life, cats are the intricate threads that weave through our existence, leaving behind a mosaic of memories and emotions. From their gentle purrs to their playful leaps, these enchanting creatures have etched their paw prints on the canvas of our hearts, creating a timeless masterpiece of feline charm.